Alright guys, welcome back to the second part of our math note video. I'm going to go through and work on this last problem with you guys together. So looking at 4/10 plus 1/3. I'm going to again draw that number line, and you're kind of doing this, or you're doing this with us, but when you're working on these on your own, you're doing this kind of in your brain. Okay, so I've got 0 and 1 for my number line. Okay, and I know that 4/10, I'm going to try to see what half of the 10th value is. So I know half of 10 is 5. 5/10 is equivalent to 1/2. 5/10 is equivalent to 1/2 because 5 can go into 10 2 times. However, I don't have 5/10. I only have 4/10. So if this is the 1/2 benchmark right here, if this is 1/2, or what we would think of as 5/10, then I know that 4/10 is going to be right before that. 4/10 is going to be about here, okay? Because it's not quite half of 10, which is 5. It's 4/10. So this section right here is my 4/10 section, okay? Now I need to figure out how much 1/3, or adding 1/3 to that. Well, I know if I'm thinking about my benchmark fractions, I know that 0 to 1, here's a third. In my brain, I'm just cutting out a third here. Here's 2/3. And here's 3/3. I'm going to shade in the section right here from 0 to 1/3. Okay, again, I could solve this out using butterfly method, but I'm not going to. Okay, now I've got to add this 4/10 plus my 1/3. I can go ahead and select this 1/3 and add it to my 4/10, and I can tell that this whole section right here, oh my god, I select my pen, that this whole section right here that I just added, the 1/3 plus the 4/10, all of that is still going to be smaller than 1. Now, I didn't have to necessarily draw that out because I know that 4/10 is less than 1/2 and 1/3 is less than 1/2. If I am adding two things together that are both less than 1/2, it's common sense to tell me that it's never going to equal a whole. I'll say that again. If I'm adding two things together and each one of those items are both less than 1/2, when I add them together, I'm going to get less than a whole. So that tells me that 4/10 plus 3/10 is actually less than 1 whole. Now, if you want to draw things out, you're more than welcome to. If you want to use this website, you guys, that I'm using, this online whiteboard to help you, where you can select the different colors once you draw them out, like I just did, okay, you are more than welcome to do that. The website is called awwapp.com. And it's going to take you, and then you can just click Start Drawing. Okay, you don't have to log in. You can go ahead and draw and do what I'm doing if it helps you with your guys' math problems when solving with benchmark fractions. Guys, this isn't easy. This takes a lot of time and thinking. And like I said, I tried to go online and find a video to show you that kind of broke this up into a fun way, and I wasn't able to find that. But if you have any more questions, don't be afraid to reach out. I want you to try the worksheet that goes with this lesson. It's in that packet that I gave to you. It would be lesson 13. If you have any questions, don't be afraid to reach out.